Hey everybody, it's that time of year, pumpkin time!
Woo, pumpkin!
So today, Tabitha and I are making her favorite pumpkin recipe for
gluten-free pumpkin muffins.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me.
So the first thing we have to start off with is our pumpkin. So we have our pumpkin here. We're going to go ahead and put it into our dish.
So this is one 15 or 16 ounce can of pumpkin.
I'm just going to dump that in. And to add my own little flair, I like to add a little bit of cinnamon just in the mix here to give it a more of a pop on top. Then you're going to add a tad bit of sugar because I like to keep things sweet. But just a spoonful, just sprinkle that in there, and that's going to give you about the taste of the sugar you want.
Because we know a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down.
Then you got your brown sugar, and you're going to add that in there. And you're going to add your oil in with all that.
You can use vegetable oil, but I prefer not to use vegetable oil, so we're using olive oil.
Works just as good. And your egg. So now we're going to take our mixer and mix this all together. So now your mixture should be all nice and pureed. The next step we're going to do is we're going to take our flour that we already have measured out, and you're going to mix that into your now wet ingredient.
Don't worry, we will leave the recipe down below. We're going to use a substitute for baking powder today, and it is a quarter of baking powder and a teaspoon of distilled white vinegar mixed together. Now we're going to put that into our mixture.
You want to take your other cinnamon that you have and go ahead and add that in there, as well as your other baking soda. You have all those ingredients in. You're going to take all this and mix it together. When you're done mixing it, it should look like this. And now you're ready for your final step of putting it into your muffin tin. A nice tip for your muffin tin is if you would like to keep your muffin tin clean, you can use your muffin liners like this. This is a tin foil muffin liner, and it works great if you decide to freeze your muffins. It's easier to peel off. Just a little side trick. All right, so now we have all of our things dished into our muffin tins. We're going to take the sugar from the dish with a spoon, and you're going to just sprinkle it onto each one. This is going to give it kind of a caramelized topping while it's cooking in the oven.
Yum.
Get it on there good and even. All right, so now we're going to take these muffins and put them in your oven, which is set at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. So here's our beautiful pumpkin muffins. And I added a little bit of buttercream frosting that I like to drizzle on mine. So I'm going to take it here and just drizzle it here on this beautiful thing right here and get it all nummy and good.
All right, are you ready for a taste test?
I am.
Oh, these look so good. And smell, oh, my house smells divine. Melt in your mouth.
Delicious.
Gluten-free and oh so yummy.
Taste tested and Ginger's approved.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.